What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are continuing our Shiba Inu series. Last we left off, we were tracking a much bigger pennant flag forming here within Shiba Inu. And just last night, I actually posted on the YouTube channel here a very small short opportunity that we had down to bottom support the moving averages, which you can see is happening on the 4-hour charts right here. As I zoom in, you'll kind of notice the pattern that was forming here. Over the past couple of days, we have been tracking for quite some time now this sideways consolidation, which if I zoom in, you can see right now has been forming within Shiba Inu's short-term movement here on the hourly, which I do want to talk about with you guys in the next couple of minutes. But otherwise, guys, today's video is brought to you by Pulsar Token. So we are going to be talking about Pulsar Token at the end of today's video, but they are the world's first elastic rebasing token with a real use case and utilities, launching on the Binance Smart Chain with an elastic supply and mathematically guaranteed to exceed the price of Bitcoin, which is really cool. Not only that, but they are integrating a version 2, which I'll talk about with you guys more at the end of today's video, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I have linked them down in the description if you want to check them out early, but definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into the Shiba Inu video. So guys, just yesterday we saw a very small and quick short opportunity within this cryptocurrency. Not sure where you would have bought into, but there was a very small opportunity to short this cryptocurrency to the downside here. You guys can clearly see the lowest point that we made was pretty much down to the moving average right here. So if I draw a horizontal line, you can pretty much see where that rock bottom is, being that red band on the 4-hour moving average here. And swinging it back to the hourly charts, you can pretty much see the rock bottom level here, whether you bought in when you saw the short happen here or you bought in much closer to when we closed. It really depends on what you wanted to do. Even jumping closer in, you can see the 30-minute price is actually closing us with a big violent short opportunity to the downside here, a small buying opportunity pretty much all the way down to this 4-hour moving average here, and you can see we pretty much bounced right off of that up to top resistance here. Now I don't believe we are going to be breaking bullish regardless. I still think that this is still a short opportunity, just needs a little bit longer to complete itself here. I did draw in, like I said, this horizontal line here, just retesting this moving average. So things are getting still very tight on Shiba Inu's pattern here. So guys, playing this as a conservative trader as myself, I like to wait for 4-hour and daily opportunities. Checking in on the hourly charts, like I said, it was very late at night when I did post that here, and you would have had just a few hours to get in and get out, and this was in all hours of the night here. But what I'm looking for long term is just a confirmation that we are going to correct lower. So obviously we still have, and we're still trying to figure out what exactly is going on. It's very difficult for us to draw a bottom on this cryptocurrency here, so we've kind of just been using this as a means of bottom support where we did have that immediate retest, and you can see that we are still on a downtrend right here, and there's a good chance that we are going to start to consolidate inside this downtrend here. So pretty much what we're looking for before we see another pretty much surge in volume within Shiba, much bigger than this little blip that we had just last night, is waiting for confirmation of either a closure above this downtrend right here. So if the prices can actually close us above this downtrend, which as you guys can clearly see, we have not been able to do at all. Like literally since the start here, we've had problems breaking through here. Days on days on days of trying to break through. We have not been able to do so. So if we see a little surge and we close above here, unlike just a wick, but an actual closure, that would be a sign that we'll see a swing to the upside here. And there's a lot of volume, and this could swing us up a lot higher. Also vice versa, if we close below this support here, where this moving average is on the 4-hour charts, that's when you can buy in and short to the downside, down to bottom support, retesting this bottom support level right here. So play it conservative. That's what I'm doing on the 4-hour charts here. It's only going to be another couple of hours before we pretty much get a decision as to where this coin's going to be moving to. Today is the 8th, so we have maybe until it's by tomorrow, the latest, for us to decide if we can hold above or below this moving average right here on the 4-hour charts. Once confirmed, we should pretty much have a big opportunity and a big play for Shiba Inu to capitalize off this run. So get ready, just be patient, keep your eyes open, look at Shiba Inu. We have clear resistances that need to be broken and clear supports that need to be broken if we want to make some sort of profitable trade using Bityard. Hopefully you know what Bityard is. It's the website that we use to leverage trade cryptocurrency. obviously. I say it all the time. You can see they offer Shiba. Not only that, I've made videos in the past of how easy it is to actually purchase Shiba Inu on here, leverage trade it, create spot orders, stuff like that. They are also giving away free cryptocurrency. So once you sign up with an account and you make an account, or if you've already signed up and you're a current, user of BitYard, down in the description is where I've linked it. You can then click on this new tab they've added called Mystery Box. Click on Mystery Box and you'll have the opportunity to actually earn free cryptocurrency by following what it says. So for example, just by clicking this, you can see, depending on how long you've had your account and if you're new, you'll get these opportunities to earn free cryptocurrency. So definitely make sure to check that out if you are interested. Link is in the description down below. And now jumping back into Shiba Inu really quick, that's pretty much what we're looking for. So the opportunities of a breakout could be pretty much of two different demeanors here, and I'll draw it out for you guys here. Just taking the trend line for the potential break to the upside here, we could see prices swing us back up to retest all-time highs. And if we break bearish, this could obviously swing us down much lower, down to bottom support, the prior break to the downside, or the prior run that we had, the bullish breakout. This is concerning, but this is where the bottom support would be. And that's only if we can break through this resistance here. It's a chance we could go this low. Obviously, this would play us out into a much bigger descending triangle here, with this being the bottom. So there's a chance that we could just correct down to here, and this would be the first support that we do hit. But things are consolidating. We're gonna break this moving average very soon. It's going to happen. Just give it some time here, guys. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk about Pulsar and Pulsar V2. I want to give a huge shout out to Pulsar Token for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. Launchpad, DEX, NFT platforms, dividends paid out of profits from the entire project. The list goes on and on. All different and unique from anything else. This is just a fraction of what's to come, and all of this will benefit Pulsar holders when V2 launches. It's going to be truly epic, and they will change crypto for the benefit of all who invest in it. So guys, Pulsar Token is a recently launched rebase coin based on the Binance Smart Chain that is mathematically guaranteed to exceed the price of Bitcoin. And I know that sounds crazy, but let me explain. It's also currently available on PancakeSwap too. Now, I'm sure for most of you, this is the first time you're hearing of a crypto classified as a rebase coin, so I want to explain exactly what that is. A rebase or price elastic token is designed in a way that the circulating token supply adjusts, either increases or decreases automatically according to a token's price fluctuations. This expansion and contraction is what is called a rebase mechanism. So rebase tokens are somewhat akin to stablecoins in a sense that they both have price targets. However, unlike stablecoins, rebase tokens have an elastic supply, meaning the circulating supply adjusts accordingly to supply and demand without changing the value of the tokens in the user's wallet. Very interesting, right? So the question now is, what happens to the user's point of view? The amount of tokens in each wallet will increase or decrease accordingly, yet the total value of each wallet doesn't change thanks to the rebasing mechanism. So the Pulsar token is the world's first elastic rebasing token with an actual real-world use case and utility with an elastic supply. So over the period of approximately 8 weeks, every 4 hours, a protocol will call for a rebase, which will automatically increase the pegged price of the token by 5%. And this pegged price will determine if the token goes through a negative or positive rebase based on the current market price of the Pulsar token. And to break this down more, phase 1, which ends November 27th, period of approximately 8 weeks, a protocol is run every 4 hours to increase the price by 5% until it has exceeded the Bitcoin's price. And in phase 2, dividends begin being paid out and a one-stop shop metaverse is going to be introduced. Now, as with any rebase coin, the value of your investment is directly tied to the market cap of the coin, which has been growing by hundreds of thousands just in the past few days. Keep in mind, guys, there is a total supply of 21 million tokens, and the Pulsar token also has a genuine community, thousands growing rapidly across Telegram, Twitter, and Reddit, and they also have a large international marketing budget to continue increasing awareness significantly for the project. Now, guys, Pulsar token will be unaffected by the greater market market. Approximately 8 weeks from launch, Pulsar will obviously rise to the price of Bitcoin. The big question is obviously posed as whether the Pulsar's inherent value relevant to Bitcoin will inherit its returns. So whether this happens or not depends purely on speculation and market psychology, and we may assume that there may be some correlation to the pegged price returns, although as with any speculative asset, only time will give us the true answer. Regardless, at the time, Pulsar will evolve into a bigger long-term project. So guys, AMAs are starting to happen with the co-founders on a weekly basis within the Telegram and Pulsar, and V2 will also launch in the first part of December with multi-chain charting from one location with just a click of a button. A crypto marketplace where anybody providing a service within the crypto space can advertise, such as influencers, Twitter promoters, YouTubers, graphic designers, shillers, website designers, web devs, blockchain devs, full stack devs, copywriters, etc. Anything to do with crypto sellers or services can advertise free of charge, and buyers can buy their services without the worry of being scammed. It will be impossible for someone to be scammed and lose their money using the escrow payment system. Current platforms that offer services for DeFi traders and service providers in the crypto space are often scattered and inefficient, and Pulsar aims to unite all fronts and offer a platform that will be a one-stop shop metaverse where you are provided with everything you need in one place. So guys, by contributing to Pulsar, you'll be getting early access to the entire ecosystem of blockchain-related services, and will have the rights to share the dividends of the entire project moving forward forever. Much more to come, so definitely stay tuned. So guys, if this sounds interesting and you would like to learn more about the project, please check the links in the description of today's video. Otherwise, huge shout out to Pulsar Token for sponsoring today's episode. Always make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.